Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 12 and today I'll show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, pull down your notifications and from here you'll see a bunch of different toggles. Now we're looking for our Do Not Disturb toggle, which it is right at the bottom for me. Now it is already enabled, so I'm gonna toggle it off for now. So when you find it, you want to hold it, at least the first time around. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it will actually function. So quickly going into the couple of the more important options, we have a schedule, which will allow you to set up a custom schedule, and it will turn on and off automatically based on the provided schedule of your choice. Then another one will be people. Here you can select who can call you or message you. And then duration for quick settings. This defines what happens when you press on the toggle itself. Now, for everybody who is going to be enabling this just occasionally, maybe you go to a meeting, I would recommend setting it up for instance, a timer, a time-specific one, and I don't know, maybe you set it to like 4 or 5 hours, something like that. And this will make it so every time you toggle it on, it will run for this exact amount of time. So when you forget to turn it off yourself, the device will do it for you later on anyway. And I recommend setting this up because if you forget to turn it off, otherwise it will be just running indefinitely in the background. So you'll be, for instance, blocking calls or just not getting a notification that someone is calling you all the time till you toggle that off, depending on what you have selected right here, who can call you basically. So I recommend setting a timer, make it a little bit longer than you think you might need it, and that way when you forget about it, a little bit hour, 2 hours later, the phone will turn it off for you automatically. Now you can go over the other settings as well in here, but those were the ones that I showed you, were the ones that I considered more important. Now, once you have set it all up, you can then find a toggle, tap on it to toggle it in manually, and obviously to turn it off you do the same thing by just tapping on it once again. Now if you're using schedule, apart from just toggling on the schedule here, like for instance this one is, you don't need to do anything extra. The phone will then do everything for you. So, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.